Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Canyon. With one of the most powerful standard 4-cylinder engines in the class, the Canyon lets you enjoy 18 city, 25 highway EPA estimated MPG and is engineered to absorb the bumps, handle the curves, supply superb traction, and provide seating for 5. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, rear step bumper, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.